Stream. Good morning. Market's open and I'm open for streaming or trading. Hope you guys are having a great morning. Trading micro NASDAQ right now. And we're just waiting for the first setup. We gotta wait for session liquidity to be hit or some kind of liquidity to be hit before we can even consider taking a trade. But look at this 1 minute candle. Nice. Oh, it's almost a London high. Yo. Looks like you guys are getting a 5-minute inversion right off the bat. Yeah, that's now it's inverted 3. Yeah, that'd be a trade opportunity if that 5-minute inverts them. Yeah, I found that when it inverts early, you catch that trade. That trade typically is pretty solid, especially if there's no red folder news or something that would cause it to go the opposite direction. It looks like it's kind of picking the direction it wants to go. I'm gonna mark out that strategy we watched yesterday, Zachary. Yeah, I'm gonna see what it does. I'm not gonna do it, but Did it? Yeah. Okay, so this liquidity got hit. We're almost to London high. Come on. Maybe we can get a trade like right off rip today. You can. Bottom right hand corner, there's like a full screen. You just click that. Yeah. Did you do it? Yeah, I'd say go for it. The 5-minute version. He's doing. He's trying. Oh, and we hit London high. So let's see if we get a unicorn. You need the fib retracement. Honestly, at this point, I'd say don't take it. Wow. All right, there's a unicorn, Zachary. Yep. If this makes a for value gap, we have a unicorn potentially. Oh, let me put it in. See if we get tapped in here. don't think we're gonna get tapped in. It's okay. You just leave it open essentially. You might get another one here a little lower. Hasn't even broken out of the orb yet, too. It might. Get off the bug. No, you need a fair value gap. Yeah. And your stop loss would go to the first candle that broke out. Yeah. You could do it like mine. Like where you set up a left panel. Okay. Right hand corner next to right hand corner next to NQ, there's like a little thing. Yours is gonna be a square, but mine has two. You just click that and you can find all the different ones. You could have up to 16. Or I can. I don't think you can, but yeah, I am actually. Yeah, exactly. Stupid bug. Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna cancel my order. Yeah, I'm gonna cancel my order. And I'll take that one. This bug is driving me nuts. It's like crawling all over me. This guy. Eventually. Yeah, I canceled it because it could leave a fair value gap right here on this. Yep. Yeah, if it breaks this and leaves a fair value gap, then I'm going long. All right, orders in. Okay, left another fair value. Yeah, it's a little choppy. I might actually cancel my order. I'm gonna cancel my order. And I'm gonna kind of wait. It's very choppy right now. I'm gonna wait. Just because this 1 minute it failed to break and now it's going to the opposite direction. It looks very choppy. I kind of want to see if maybe it'll hit London high and like showing strength outside of it, and then we can maybe get a unicorn like at or London low too. Like maybe it'll give us one. We could potentially miss the trade of the day, but I think I'm gonna just try to be a little smart here because I don't honestly think today's gonna be like a great trading day. There's no red folder news. It's the middle of the week. No, it would have missed us. It would have just missed us. Yep. Yeah, it would have just missed you. They do. It's just you're gonna get a lot more false signals. So like you'll get a lot of inversions on the 1 minute. You just gotta know kind of like which ones should I care about and which ones should I not care about. So like if we look at this 1 minute, it inverted a bunch of a fair, but it missed the 1.5, and then you have this 1 minute. This one also missed the 1.5, so it's not gonna be the same. But this 1 minute inversion on this one right here is probably gonna hit 1.5. You know, so the 1 minute you'll get a lot more false signals. Yeah, that's why we do the 5, because the 5 on the inverse fair value gap is way more consistent. All right, so now we're breaking through London high. Hopefully we get something up here, and it's breaking through the orb. Yep. So now you just need a fair value gap, and then your stop loss would go at the bottom of this 948 candle if it does break out of it. Let's go, dude. All my TradeFi accounts are up 195.50. Love it. And they got 3 out of the 7 trading days. Let's go. Not yet. You needed it to close. Wait. Oh no, he's right on the 5. Potentially there is. Now it's not doing the 5, but it came close. Let's see in the next 20 seconds if it will. I don't think it will. And also on the 1 minute, you lost that fair value gap, so you don't have a fair value gap on that breakout either. Yeah. You don't need it to. That I'm just watching that strategy. I just want to see how it plays out. I'm not actually going to be considering any of that strategy's confluences into my trading today, but I just want to see how, if it does do it, like how does it work? Does it work well or not? So yeah, see, look, we're breaking back into it, this range. Yeah. So we might get a unicorn here after really testing the London high. This one would be one maybe I'm more down to take, because this could be a manipulation move, grabbing this liquidity, then moving to all this external range liquidity and these lows down here, and it looks like it's showing some good displacement through it too. So see if we get a fair value up here. If we would have tapped this in on this one, actually, it would have hit our first TP. Okay. See how much you're risking on this one. $300 on this one. Why is it doing that? Oh, sell limit, that's why. I'm gonna go, I don't know. I'm not feeling this right now. I'm not gonna put my order in. I'm just not feeling it. I don't like that it just keeps going right back into this range. And London low down here, it hasn't touched it since market open, but it has already kind of been swept. So London low is not really a great liquidity either. So it might be better to wait for it to, like, if it can really break to like Asia low and then we get one, or up here like day high and then we get one. Or if we do get this bullish one here and it's breaking out of the orb with that other confluence, that would actually be nice. I will take that one. If it does this. Yeah, if it does this one, leaves us a fair value up here to the upside, breaking out of the London high and the 5-minute orb, the short. Yeah, I mean, the short still could work. I mean, your target would have only been down to here. It very likely could go down there, but also very likely could not. Yeah, it looks like it'll hit your stop loss. Yeah, so if we can get a break out of the orb here and then another push up with a fair value gap, that would be good. The 5 minutes giving us an inversion to the upside potentially. Yeah, I have to wait for it to break out of the breaker block, or the order block, I mean, to create a breaker block, but there's just nothing fueling it. Like, there's no red folder news, yeah, it's just Wednesday. From the bottom of the wick, so if you're going bullish, from the bottom of the wick to the top of the wick. Okay, I might finally get a trade opportunity. Nope. We're seeing 387 on this trade. But it's to make actually a good amount of money, so. I don't even have a trade opportunity still. Let me see, is there any liquidity on the 5? Oh, nope. Go back to the 1. Here, go to 15. $23,252. Not doing that. Oh, let me delete this guy. And lay the next. Yeah, the next nearest liquidity. Alright, yeah, if we do go long, you just shoot for 2R. There's no liquidity nearby. Except for day high, but 2R comes before that, so. I love the TradeFi's like the dashboard, dude. The TradeFi dashboard is so nice. This is how all prop firms' dashboards should be. All right, well, it looks like it's entering back in the chat. Chabbity chat. What? Okay, that fair value gap can't be considered anymore for the unicorn. So there's no unicorn anymore here. That's just great. This guy stinks. We might get one here. Oh. We might get one here. Oh, yeah, we're getting a 5-minute inversion. In 3 minutes, potentially. Oh, it looks like it wants to break out of the London high and go long. Because you pushed up, broke structure, made a higher low. You're kind of consolidating. Now, hopefully, you can push up one more time. Yeah, Wednesdays. Honestly, I feel like Wednesdays are the day he usually does that more than often. $2,500% tariffs on the whole world. Market dives 17%, and you went long. Yeah, no stop loss. Right? This is locked. Market finally broke out London high. We don't even need stop losses today, boys. Just go long. Then Donald Trump says, "Oh, they didn't put stop losses today. I gotta send a tweet." Remember? Yeah, yep. Yeah, that one. Yeah. But you should be on the 5-minute. You should be on the 5-minute. Okay, good. If it leaves me a little gap, yeah. Yep, it is. Yeah. Yeah, so he would buy in a little higher. All right, I put my order in. I'm gonna put stop loss. No, I'm leaving my stop loss. Last time I did that, it screwed me. Okay. Let's see. What does NASDaddy provide? What does NASDaddy provide today? I am not sticking to the model. Model says hold the line. No, what it oftentimes did in backtesting, so you put your buy order, it'll push up, give you a high, come back down, tap you in, and then you move your TP to that high. So yeah, we have a couple confluences on our side. We have 5-minute inversion, higher time frame 5-minute inversions. We have that orb break with the fair value gaps. Yeah. So his strat. Yeah, that's okay. So on his strat, you would have entered right here. Stop loss is right there. And then shooting for 2R. See if that hits. Dum. Dum. Yeah, it looks like it's about to hit. It's halfway there, I think. Yeah. Nate, your fib isn't even set up properly. Take your one line and move it up higher. Note the one line. No, on your fib. Yep. The one line. The one a little bit higher. The group for the. Yep, that line. Yep. Drag it up higher, and then now you moved your zero line. Move your zero line lower. No, zero line. Zero line on your fib, the very bottom one. Yep, drag that one a little lower. So now change your buy limit to the red line. Yep, to the move it to, and your stop loss should go to the. Your stop loss should go to that order block. Oh yeah, log in real quick. On the 5-minute, yeah, your stop loss goes to the 9:55 a.m. candle wick. That red line, or the red candle right there. Yep, that wick at the bottom there. Yep, that's how it should look, yeah. And then full TP is at 1.5, so your full TP should be moved up a little higher. Wait, we can move our stop loss up if we get tapped in. It made a swing low. Nice. Well, remember that one time I moved it too high and it stopped us out? I just wanted to... for me, it's different than you. For me, it's at the 1-minute swing low. Yeah. Oh, like that, yeah. This over here, see if his hits. That's good. You don't have much drawdown, so yeah. On 3 of these evals, I need $5,000 profit to pass to get out of this hole. Worst case scenario, it runs without us, and then we can recoup at day high. Nate, you should not have your limit order in anymore. Your limit order should be canceled. You have a fair value gap that has formed below you. So you would want to be able to set up for the fair value gap if it goes short. No, because there's a fair value gap that formed above your limit order or within your limit order. So if price inverts that, you immediately have to close your order and you would get tapped in. But our model's different where we don't close our order yet. Now this should be where, so Zachary, now my first TP, if we get tapped in, goes to this external range high on the one. Yes, if it inverts it. Yep, if it inverts it, yeah. All right, looks like we're about to get tapped in. Oh, just missed us. No, you on your model, you should not have a limit order open because you're about to go to have an inversion on the 5 minute. So we'd honestly, if you get an inversion, we'd be going opposite directions of each other.
Order filled.
We're in. So for me, sell limit. So I have my first TP up there. What happened? You didn't copy it, did you?
Order filled.
Ah, dang it. I didn't have enough drawdown on those accounts. Well, blew those accounts. It blow it. What? Well, let's see. Oh, I inverted that fair value gap on the 5. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, you're supposed to go short, yeah. We're literally on opposite teams right now. Liquidate him. Liquidate him. We just got voice chat on it now. I blew 3 too. I only had like $400 in drawdown. They blew. Come on. Bounce, bounce, bounce. We're back at London high. Come on, bounce. Come on, we were really patient. Come on. We were patient. We waited for the fair value gaps. We waited for the breaks. Oh, we didn't even like hit anything too. What am I maybe missing? It's maybe 15-minute fair value. No, there's not even a unicorn to go short. The only way we go short, which I wouldn't, but if we get stopped out, it would create a unicorn. But that liquidity has been hit like way too many times. So I'd have to wait until like Asia low. Remember, it in the backtesting, it liked to like get real close. It liked to like really get close. It's like, oh my gosh, are you gonna stay? Are you gonna close me, or are you gonna hold it open? No, you might have funded it because you're in profit, right? It looks like you closed it. Did you have your take profit right there? Huh. Huh. On the bottom of your screen, see that little bottom right hand corner of the screen? See there's like a little arrow, next to like a bracket thing. Press the arrow. Yep. And then go to account summary. Huh. Go to account summary right there. And then let me scroll up a little bit. You just gotta like drag it up. There's like, you should be able to like drag. Like there's, yeah, if you scroll your mouse slowly in that area, you'll see like there's an arrow that pops up. It allows you to drag it up. Like scroll up a tiny bit. Put your mouse up a little higher. Little higher, little higher. Like there's a little thin line. Like put on that little thin line. Little higher, little higher. Little higher, little higher. Right there. Yeah, click that. There you go. Oh yeah, you made $516. That's how you can check if you made money or lost money. I don't know what happened though. I don't know what happened. Okay. Okay, it actually might be making a unicorn right here. If it makes a unicorn here, I'm gonna close. Oh, it might not. It's not. It's not. It actually might make a bullish unicorn for us. And then we can move our stop loss up a little bit. So this is the... So there's two opportunities. Give us a bullish unicorn, please. No, it's not yet. Ooh.
Order filled.
You got subbed out? Oh. Yeah, right now, yeah. Maybe not. Maybe not. Bounce right now. Don't create the unicorn. Don't create the unicorn and bounce. No, it's not. It didn't make it. Oh my gosh, it didn't make it. Bounce. Bounce. Right now. Give us... It could create... No, it could bounce. Oh, no. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh, bounce. 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 No!
Stop filled.
Let's see. Let me analyze this real fast. So, what do we have here? Potential mid manipulation, liquidity sweep, breaker block being formed. Fair value up. We are at London high. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. No, this liquidity has been hit 1, 2, 3, like a ton of times. So if anything, I'm gonna wait for it to like go down to fresher liquidity. And so his trade model didn't work and ours didn't either. Yeah. I think I blew. So many. 78. Oh yeah, I did. Nope, they probably didn't. You mean above? Because you didn't. Oh yeah. You didn't have the winning day yesterday. I don't want to say it. Believe in yourself. You have not been trading for a year. It was not April, it was May. You've been only trading, it was like really June. No, it wasn't, because I didn't come down until the end of May. And that's when me and you really sat down and like got it all set up. You've only been trading for like 2 months. You're green, you're new. I am still green though. I am green. I'm only like 2 years in. Like I'm creating something that's working. The unicorn's like something that is gonna work, but I am still green. Like I know enough to be able to probably get payouts, but it still is like it's still hard and not super easy. Yeah, 5-minute fair value I've closed. Bummer. Okay. Oh. Wait, why do I have trades still open? Why do all my PAs still have trades open? Wait, hold up. Flatten off.
Order filled.
Why did it do that? No. Why did it do that, though? I only lost $277, but why did it do that? I think I looked. Where did the order come? 3 and 3. So weird, why did it not close this out? Bro, this price action today is terrible. Wow, you're finally getting that. Oh, you technically get that move here, probably. Let's see. That's so sick that it came and stopped us out to then, I love that, actually, I love that. I really do. No. Yeah, the liquidity had been taken, so. This unicorn though, this unicorn that was like that first one. It held this one down here. Because it was just old and more unicorns had formed elsewhere. But it's like, it's that first one that formed. It tapped you in, you would have hit actually TP here. Oh, but you got a unicorn that formed above it. Yeah. Yeah, his trade didn't even give you an entry. The model. Honestly, this price action I might just call it today and wait. I might set alerts at like Asia low that hasn't been touched or the day high and stuff, and then wait. But this morning price action looks terrible right now. Like, it doesn't look worth trading because like it'll go down, looks like it's gonna go short, then literally just flips on you. Looks like it's gonna go long, flips on you. Or TGRs. I lost $150,000 today. He had to have lose money today. Thought he did. Yeah, I know it's about to do it. You don't actually have one date. Maybe the next candle. Yeah, you no, it's not one. Yeah, you're in it, but you didn't invert it. Yeah, you didn't invert it. You got to close outside of it. To the upside. Yep, yeah. Yep, this is a bullish one, yeah. Yeah. It might. Because technically on the 5-minute, it didn't break structure to the low. It made a higher low. So you're getting bullish structure. So it could definitely play out if it inverts. Yep. Yeah, you got a pretty wide stop on that one. But hey, what is 1.5? Ask Anthony about how did 1.5 play out earlier this morning. I said, ask Anthony how 1.5 played out this morning. Yeah, I know that first trade said. Oh, that sucks. You know what would be nice though if you get an order block here, Nate. That actually be nice. Before it inverts, you get an order block. Hey, believe. Do it. Oh, shoot. Do it, Nate. Zach's playing Robin Hood over there. He's like, I'm a... No, it doesn't sound fun. I'm not a bow and arrow. Hey, Nate, if you're wondering, it didn't invert. I'm just an out loud thinker, dude. Don't make me ban you from this group for bullying. That is true. You're technically supposed to be one and done. Yeah, you should have made like. No. Being smart. No. I did it 277. How many contracts did you do? Huh. I don't know. I don't know. Well, did you might be looking at the 200 something on the account that was the same as mine. Oh. I don't know. I think the markets just like me better, you know. All right, 5-minute inversion. Kidding. Five-minute inversion. It's hasn't been a single fair value yet. Yeah. And that doesn't count. It has to be the first candle that breaks out. Yes, it does. I did. I will. I did. I watched it. Yes, it's the first candle of the breakout. That one needs a. That one needs then a fair value gap. So, that's what it is. I'm telling you. No. Oh. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. And the nice thing is it looks like it could give you an order block here too, so your stop loss would be super tight. It's tight, tight, tight. Like Tuco. I heard it. I was just teaching my student. Hey, Nate, you get a golden star today. Okay, Zachary doesn't. He's going to go pull a stick. That's what he's going to go do. Yo, Stream Hub. Welcome in. Thanks for the thing, that chat thing. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's like a dude with a headset, like his eyes are going crazy. Can't you add like images in here? You can. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do something real fast. Here it is, here it is. I need this. How do I get this? How do I download this? Is this called? I need this gym. I need this. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Once I get this, I'm gonna, yep. Oh, the JPEG. not coming up? Give it to me. Alright, I know what I have to do. I still don't know if I have the strength to do it. Bro, I need this freaking video. Alright. She said no. I know who took it. Oh my. Okay. Don't act like you actually do something. Inversion, inversion, 5-minute inversion, everyone. Did you see it? And you have an order block right on it. Yeah, you take that one. Natalie, trying to be the supportive sister. Nice. Nice. Yeah, you're cooked. You don't do it. How do I do it? No. Shut up, Zachary. I cropped it. No, if it hits your TP target, you take it off. Yeah. There we go. Okay, now remove background. It's doing it. All right. Can I add a GIF? I better be able to add a GIF. Oh, I can't add a GIF. I've been doing all this work for nothing. Oh, what? Yeah. Yeah, it goes towards your 8 trading days, yeah. Yeah, it should. If you want to know for sure, you just go to the fact page on Apex and look through their facts. Yeah. Or you can reach out to their help team or something. Finally was able to get it. course. Of course you can't do it. Frick. Whatever. All that work for nothing. All right, stream. I think I'm gonna call it. We're not gonna get a trade for quite some time. So we were able to get one trade today. Didn't play out, and yeah. So I'm gonna call it for the day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow at Market Open.